Activate Rigify add-on. Select next 01 bone and go to pose mode. Go to Bone Properties tab and set its rig type to Spines Superhead. Select Spine 01 and set its rig type to Spines Basic Spine. Select clavicle bones and set their rig type to Basic Super Copy. Pelvis will also use Basic Super Copy type. Select upper arm bones and set their rig type to Limbs Arm. Select thigh bones and set their rig type to Limbs Leg. Select index metacarpal bone and set its rig type to Limbs Super Palm. Now select the base of each finger and set the rig type to Limbs Super Finger one by one. Do the same with the right hand. Let's generate rig. We have an error. Make two bone collections. Name them FK and Tweak. Go down to Bone Collection UI and send them into UI layout. Now the rig can be generated, but it has a few issues. Look at chest and hips controllers. They stay inclined. Let's troubleshoot this. Hide or delete the rig for now. Select the spine bones one by one and set their roll value to 0 degrees. Now if we generate the rig again, the chest and hips controllers are straight. Another issue is that hiding FK and Tweak bone collections has no visual effect. Let's fix this. Hide or delete the rig. Go to pose mode. Select each bone that we previously set the rig type for and assign appropriate FK and or Tweak collection to it. For the palm controller, let's check both sides and extra FK controls. Let's also activate IK control and IK local location for left hand fingers. Do the same with the right hand. Generate rig. Now hiding FK and Tweak collections work as intended. See you in the next tutorial.